how to automatically open or launch the agents in Google Antigravity whenever you reload. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can automatically launch the agent whenever you reload. So it is a common practice that by default this feature might be disabled and you will have to again and again toggle the agent either from the top bar or using the shortcut Control Alt B. If you do not want this and you want the agent to be launched every time you refresh or relaunch, then you will need to configure out this setting. So let me show you what you will need to do. So you will first need to click onto the settings gear icon just beside your profile picture, and then from here click onto the second option, that is open anti-gravity user settings. Now from this particular page, simply scroll down towards the end of the page and enable this toggle, that is open agent on reload. This will open agent panel on Windows reload. So simply enable this toggle and now you are all set. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.